We are on the trail.
To be in the place you seem to want to go, you don't seem very happy.
This is a really pretty little tree. I wonder what happened there. Probably like windstorms and stuff. And such. And such. It's very pretty. Just look at this. Magnificent place. Ooh, what happened there?
But anyway, shrubs and other plant life to look for. Sella, Oregon grape, one of my favorites. Ford fern, bracken fern.
Oregon grape? What's those? Are they grapes?
No, those are those villages we have over by where Grant's buried.
Oh, so you can't eat them?
Western trillium.
Nope.
Anomie, bleeding heart.
Ooh, bleeding hearts out here?
Solomon seal, rattlesnake plantain, berry slipper, wood sorrel.
All these little pine cones look like dog turds, huh?
Red huckleberry.
Yeah.
Rhea, look up. Look around you.
Wow, look at those trees over there.
Look
Covered.
up. Look all over the place. Don't stare down. And try to be quiet now, so we can sneak up on some wildlife. Okay?
Okay.
What's that black thing up there? A little fish? I mean a nest? You see it? There's like a dead crow.
Remember walking on that with your family?
No.
You don't remember getting further.
Yeah, I do, but I remember it being... We probably took a different trail.
Rhea,
Huh.
you can put the camera down for a little while now.
I'm filming.
Okay. Don't film the whole way though. You definitely will run out the card. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, you will. It's going to take longer than 28 minutes to get up here.
What way?
5 miles an hour. It'll take us an hour to do the
What
whole
way?
thing. Hang on. Look at the map. The map.
It's a fork in the road.
Okay, we started there, which is more like this, right? The creek is on our right side. So
We're taking a left because we looked at the map and that is what we're gonna do. Just a little ropey thingy.
See, holding that, your
Hey,
hands are going to
listen.
get cold.
you guys, listen. Let's see your Bigfoots here.
That's a deep tap, tap. Yeah.
I can do it better than he can.
See that?
Yeah.
What I just did?